Mike Bot here. Today's review is going to be on GoSund smart plugs. I decided to do a review on these because I've already purchased this is number, with these four it'll be 16. That's how great these things are. They basically turned my house into a smart home, and these things are really inexpensive. It's about $10 a plug. If you get them on sale, they're about $8 a plug, so it's a great deal. For these to control them, basically you need the GoSund app, as I mentioned in the LED strip light video, and from there it finds the plugs and it goes through the process. Once they've been added in, Google and Alexa can control them, which is another reason why I went with the GoSund brand versus other brands, and the price point was perfect for me. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So there's the four plugs. They all come with little caps on the end. And that's it in the box basically. There's no bribe sheets, which is awesome. Little instruction manual. Take the caps off and away you go. So from here, you just plug it in and then it goes through its process, which I'm going to do in a second here. So before we do that, you got the on-off button here, which is an override in case the Wi-Fi is not working in these for some reason. The build quality on these is pretty good. They feel like they're heavy duty. They're supposed to be fire resistant as well. They have a special material inside that if they do for some reason burn, it's supposed to prevent them from starting a fire. It's supposed to kind of like contain it. I believe that's what it said when I read it online. Don't take my word for that, just in case. They're rated at 1200 watts, which is pretty much awesome because it can power anything, even a heater in the winter time. You can do 10 amps per plug. They work in both 50 and 60 hertz, or 100 and 240 volts, so basically anywhere around the world, assuming you have the right adapter here. Again, these are only 2.4 gigahertz wireless, not 5 gigahertz. For some people that's a big deal. For some people that doesn't make a difference. Other than that, that's all there is to this, so let's skip right to the demo. So I am in front of a plug right now, and I'm going to go ahead and plug one of these in. And I'm going to do all four one by one just to show you guys the whole process. So it started blinking blue, meaning that it's ready to be found on the GoSund app now. So you just open up your GoSund app, click the plus sign. Then from here, you want to click socket Wi-Fi. Confirm it's rapidly. So make sure it's rapidly blinking. You gotta also make sure that the location services are on. You click confirm rapidly blinking, put in your Wi-Fi information. Then once you confirm your Wi-Fi information, it'll go through the connecting process. So I'll just show you guys my phone at the same time. You can already hear it clicking away, changing colors. I'm going to give these plugs all generic names for now. As you can see, Alexa's already picked it up. So this one's just going to be called Mini Smart Plug 2 for now. I'm not going to give it a room. I don't know where I'm going to use these yet. I bought them just because they're on sale again and I love them. So basically to turn them on and off, same thing with the strip light. You just click on, off. You can hear them click. You can set timers on them, which is another really neat feature. You can schedule them. So now that this plug is done, let's go ahead and do another one. Alright, so that one's out. Now we'll put this one in. Once again, click the plus sign, Wi-Fi socket, make sure it's rapidly blinking, confirm your Wi-Fi information, and then wait for it. And then once this one is done, I just got to do it 2 more times, and then I'll show you guys with Google, I guess, how it turns on and off. Because I don't have Alexa in this room. I got Alexa on the main floor, Google on the second floor. There we go, Alexa's already picked it up. Just like that, that one is done. That's how fast the process is once you go through it once. Click done. Take that one out. Put this one in. Plus, Wi-Fi, confirm indicator, confirm your Wi-Fi details, and then let it go through the process. And then we have one more to go after this. And that one is done. Now I'll just put the last one in. Once these are configured, by the way, you don't need to go through the process again. So that's why I'm just configuring them now and unplugging them. So once this one goes through the process, I'm going to go ahead and just tell Google to turn it on and off, and you'll be able to tell just from the blinking light that it's going on and off. So now it's just connecting, going through its workflow. And that one's pretty much good to go in 3, 2, 1. Might have been premature with the countdown there. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this one is called Smart Plug 5. So just to show you guys how I'm going to control it with Google and not with my hand. Okay, Google, turn Mini Smart Plug 5 on.
Sure, turning on Mini Smart Plug 5.
I think it was already on. Okay, Google, turn off Mini Smart Plug 5. And there, and see how the light turned off. So it's simple as that. So, like I said, this GoSund company was probably one of the best discoveries I found recently. Very good price point, high quality products, and their products just simply work. So, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos. MikeBot out.